give a very special thanks to Mattel for sending these products to us for free. What's up, doll collectors, gift givers, fabs and besties, and ghouls? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. I consider myself a toy enthusiast. That's right, I'm an adult who collects toys. And a toy line that is near and dear to my heart is back. I'm not talking collector dolls, I'm talking Playline. On Friday the 13th, Monster High returned to select Walmarts with Boo-riginal Creeproductions. Let me translate for the normies. Original reproductions. The awesome people over at Mattel sent us the original Boo crew. Draculaura, Clawdeen Wolf, Frankie Stein, and Laguna Blue. I can't even tell you how excited I am for this. Wait, what's that? Nail polish. Oh, and the bottles are shaped like little coffins. We totally have to figure out how to make this in miniature. Where are the dolls? This looks like Miss Laguna Blue. Can you believe this is actually happening? Because I'm like totally freaking out right now. All right, and here is Clawdeen, yeah. And that looks like Draculaura with her signature pink. Yeah, Draculaura. And then last but not least, we have Frankie. Freaky just got fabulous, y'all. Again. That familiar box shape, the Monster High logo going down the side, the doll's name at the bottom, and right underneath it says Daughter of Frankenstein. We have some wordage right here letting you know that it is a Boo-riginal Creeproduction. Looks like we're gonna get a doll stand and a diary. Awesome! The box art on the side, the little skullette, and info about the doll on the back, including a lineup of the dolls that are currently available. So why reproductions? My guess is it's a good way to test the water to see if there's actually a market for Monster High. It allows collectors who weren't able to get the originals a chance to get reproductions of the originals. And it can also introduce the dolls to a whole new generation. But that's just my guess. I know I was late to jump on the Monster High bus back in the day and missed out on some dolls. So right now, I personally am not complaining. When I looked online at Walmart.com, the dolls were listed with a suggested retail price of $24.94. They come with a doll stand, hairbrush, a diary, pet, and accessory. Do you see those painted details? Huh? Do ya? Rocking her original face sculpt, here is Frankie Stein with silver and black hair, blue and green eyes, deep red lipstick, silver and blue earrings. That's right, the earrings are painted. And removable. Oh yes. Everything looks nice and clean, no pixelation. Details on the clothes. Y'all, I'm getting teary-eyed. She has a white collar, a ribbon bow tie stitching across the top, mesh sleeves. There's a skirt at the bottom with black tulle, a little silver skullette on the bottom of the tie, a belt with painted details, black shoes with painted details. She has a black and red purse with silver details. Her dog, What's It, details going all the way around. And of course, she's fully articulated with rotation at the neck, shoulder, elbow, wrist, removable hands to make it easier to dress them, rotation at the hip, and they can bend at the knee. And I almost forgot, she has a little bracelet. If you want to know what type of hair this is, sorry, doll collectors and customizers, I'm not gonna know that. But it is really soft, and I might try to do a hot water rinse later to get the little bumps out from packaging. Quick background on Frankie for those who don't know. She's 15 days old, her favorite food is everything, and her BFFs are Draculaura and Clawdeen Wolf. Clawdeen Wolf, daughter of the werewolf. Her doll stand is kind of like a terracotta color. It has a little bit of a pearly finish. She has a diary, a scary cute kitten named Crescent, and a black purse with gold and purple painted details. Right out of the box, Clawdeen's hair has a little bit of a curl to it. She has yellow eyes, dark red lipstick with painted teeth, little gold earrings in her ears, a black crop jacket with purple cuffs and fur around the collar, a salmon-colored halter top with a ruffle at the neckline, and a black glittery animal print. She has necklaces. I like how on the choker you can actually see the little gems. That is pretty cool. A black belt with gold painted details, a purple ruffle skirt with black tulle underneath, knee-high stockings, and tall black shoes with purple stripes and gold buckles. Clawdeen is also 15. Her favorite food is a rare steak, and her besties are Frankie Stein and Draculaura. Speaking of Draculaura, here she is, the daughter of Dracula. She comes with a pink doll stand, pink brush, a diary, her BFF, Bat Friend Forever, Count Fabulous, and a closed black umbrella with silver and pink details, and a little white heart. Draculaura has purple eyes and a dark red lip color with painted teeth. Her hair is black and pink, styled in 2 pigtails. The hair in the front is cut into bangs. There is a little bit of product in it. She wears a pink vest with silver stitching, a white ruffle collar, a pink necklace and faux buttons, long mesh sleeves with lace for cuffs, a pleated skirt with pink stitching, black stockings that stop at the top of her shoes, and pink tall boots with silver soles and heels and black laces. And there are little silver hearts at the top. And I almost forgot her little safety pin earrings. Draculaura is 1,599. She's a vegetarian, and her besties are Frankie and Clawdeen. Aw, nobody mentioned Laguna Blue. Who are her besties? I'm down with everyone, bruh. Well, that's good to know. She has an off-white doll stand, a pearly white hairbrush, a pet piranha named Neptuna that can fit inside of her fishbowl purse, so she can take her pet to class. And I like the little gold painted handle. She also comes with a diary, so we can learn more about her. Like how she has large green eyes, a pink lip color, freckles. She wears a pink flower in her hair, has blonde and blue hair. The curls might need a little extra attention after being in the box. She comes wearing a hoodie with a scale print, little fabric fins at the top, silver trim, and green cuffs. She has gold-colored earrings, and her ears are shaped like fins. She has a gold-colored seahorse necklace and a matching bracelet. She has fins sculpted into her arms, her hands are webbed, and she has removable fins on the sides of her legs. She wears a pink and black bathing suit, black shorts with green trim and pink stitching, blue fishnet tights, and white, black, and pink sandals. Laguna Blue is 15, her favorite food is sushi, and she gets along with everyone. Talk about a blast from the past. Reading the boxes, I realized how much I had forgotten. I'm probably going to have to sit down and read all the diaries too, because I want to be ready for the return of the rest of the Mansters and Ghouls. Just between you and me, I'm hoping that they bring back the original cartoon with new episodes as well. Probably won't happen, but you know, wishful thinking. And if I ever see the combo pack of Cleo and Deuce on the shelf, you better believe I'm buying it. Right now, these dolls are bringing the details that I like to see. Painted accessories, outfits with layers, beautiful faces, and of course, articulation. And I am dying to see what's next. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the Boo-riginal Creeproduction dolls. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff, The Frog Vlog, and Bella of MyFroggyStuff. And we will see you next time. Bye!